My name is Ken Reed, and we're now looking at the second wall page under the title Building Site, and we will cover the following items in the DYO Green Building Decision Kit, such as lot versus acreage versus infill, as far as potentially building sites that are green or considered to be a greener option than others, proximity to services, walking distance to food or services, or how easy it is to drive, and if there's also amenities such as parks and places to get exercise. Covenants, zoning, land and mineral rights and restrictions all affect what you can and can't do as far as adding different options to a home, such as solar. Sometimes there's covenants against it, and there are ways to potentially overcome that or work with that. We'll look at that. Access to roads and mass transportation. So how easy is it to get around where you're planning to build or remodel? Access to utilities, electric, gas, water, sewer, and other utilities, potentially. Land characteristics, as far as do you want to have a slope that faces toward the south? Do you need a pond? Things like that. Solar access, natural features. Is it already landscaped? Is it easy to landscape? Are you looking at natural landscaping? Waste management, reuse, and recycle. How to build a home or remodel without creating a ton of waste, which is what happens with many construction projects, is there's a considerable amount of waste generated, and we'll look at ways to minimize that.